fuck's sake. Shit fucking life out of me. Bash fucking fights.
What, you think you lost me or something?
What?
What's up?
What?
What's up? What are you saying?
I heard footprints right at the other end of the pub. You see?
What the fuck is that? Yo, come here.
And I heard footprints.
Tim. Fuck that.
I told you I couldn't.
No, there's someone fucking watching down there.
Oh my god. Get in there.
What are you doing?
He's just definitely something everywhere. All you hear is footprints. Yeah. Bit strong.
Hi guys, once again, here it's one with Tim. Just from the video of these pair coming through. So guys, we've come.
Shine that torch at the phone, the sensor's gone in.
So guys, we're at this old pub. We're just waiting for the girls to come through. And yeah. Hopefully guys, it'll be a nice explore. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you see anything. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
I don't know, I want to know what that is, so I just got stood in.
Bar there. Wow. There's still wine in the racks.
Ah, what the fuck do you keep banging my head on?
Oh yeah. Abandoned Scrubs has been here. Sheffield. Yeah.
No, it's a lot, so
Get on fire. Two people, 2 courses, £15. Wow guys. So that is the biggest cobweb ever. This is absolutely crazy. Like I say guys, this is, wow, cobweb's unreal. That's another way in. Never noticed that way. But still, so it's a really old pub. You don't know the reason why it's abandoned. Not at all. Private. That's back into the way we came. Me and the wine. Oh, they are empty. There's the bar. With all the fuck's sake. Shit fucking life out of me. Bash fucking fire extinguisher.
I had to do it.
Fucking shit. Fire extinguisher. Fire fucking life out of me. Our speakers are all wired up at like me. That big dartboard score. Someone's nicked dartboard.
Tim?
Ah. It's because it's the house. Flat screen TV here.
Ow.
Yeah, this is the house, look. Oh, there's another entrance in. No way. Cellar. Yeah, I know. There's another part at cellar and all. Under this bit we can't get to it. It's separate, this is.
Wait, we're scared.
Bet that's the cellar. No.
Naomi!
Our bathroom had been smashed. Absolutely to pieces. And toilet. What's up? What are you doing?
There's definitely something everywhere. All you hear is footprints. Yeah.
Was it all?
I've got it.
No, down there.
You can hear footprints through the glass on the other side.
Could be somebody
And I
outside.
can't,
Was it not
no, it
us?
was inside. No way, you've just walked up there.
Yeah.
It was up there, so I fucking come back down because I was on my own. I was like, fuck that, walking backwards. And then we've just heard something like a washing machine's going and then footprints again.
What the fuck?
I thought you were scared of me, that's why I said,
Through there.
I thought I was scaring you that way. Next minute, that skittled me back. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this. Oh.
When you go up here, just be careful at windows because there's no traffic going past and that windows are open.
There isn't fuck all in here, is there?
No, it's literally empty. That's been screwed shut. It's just tiny little rooms.
Can't get me.
It's huge, this isn't
Turn
it?
back on.
Oi. No, that's creepy. This is someone's been sat here watching TV with one light on or something.
Yeah, Mandy, that's fucked up.
How do we know no one's not in here then?
If we're in the whole house.
Oh, there's different parts of it.
I mean, why does this room just look like a normal room compared to everything else? It's like it's been cleaned up.
Someone's had a thingy there, look.
There's something down there.
That
What's on
bathroom's
that door?
cool, have you seen that window?
Lawrence, what's on that window?
Have you been up here?
Yeah, it's just two empty rooms. Two empty rooms. Are you like checking pubs then? So I haven't really talking much of this, guys, but I'm just really intrigued in the explore. Haven't been that way yet. Kegs, lines. I mean, literally, it is all ready just to be a pub. I'm going to the ladies. The food sign's still here. The ladies look well clean, to be fair.
This is where we heard it, down here.
That's where I did it, down that end.
That fireplace is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. All the signs are still up and all keg lines are still up. Beer's literally ready to fire out.
There's no glass even down there.
I know, massive cobwebs. No, I ain't seen no glass. The only glass it is where we come in, which is through that door there. But we didn't come in that way. There's about 5 entrances in and out anyway.
There's no glass down this way though, is there?
See, that'd have been weird, because look at hinges and that on that. That's got to be an extra part at barn then. Pub, sorry, they must have added on to it.
This window's open.
Yeah, I know, there's that one's all cracked, and then there's a great door down there we can get through. you get a photo of that fireplace?
I'll get one. Oh, that's
It's same room, yeah.
Jim, how do you put the flash on this?
It's that little lightning bolt.
I know, but it's
Want
not.
some wine,
Oh,
is
no,
it?
it's there.
Want some wine?
Yeah, I'll have it, please.
Yeah, it's all there. Itself.
Only thing I didn't do would be on the bar. I'm set. I know who occupied it. I know who occupied it. Wicked Witch of the... Wherever you want to call it.
No, that's weird though, this here, you seen that? It's got blood all over it.
Yeah, that's messed up.
All these tablets and stuff like that just sat there.
Bar line, got little pills. Well, I can't believe what glasses and that are just still sat there in their racks.
The room here.
What?
Fucking with pins and medicine and everything from this here. That's fucking pliers with loads of blood on them.
They've been performing some kind of fucking
Where?
medical practice.
Look
Look,
at that. Got fucking blood all over it.
like they pulled teeth out. Gold strips. I'll take all this home when my dad gets back. Send photos.
There's all receipts and stuff still, yeah?
Wait. Should we try and get up from a minute?
What was that? You fucking shit the life out of me then.
Right.
I wanted to press one, so I had to do it.
What did you press?
Fire resistant.
Yeah, fuck.
All pumps and everything still in there. What? You think you lost me or something?
What?
What's up?
What?
What's up? What you see?
I heard footprints right at the other side, other end of the pub. You see?
What the fuck is that? Yo, come here.
And I heard footprints.
Turn. Fuck that.
I told you I couldn't.
No, there's someone fucking walking down there.
Oh my god. Get in there.
Fucking screws separately from it away. Yeah.
Oh. I've got it on video. You can hear footprints through the glass on the other side. And I couldn't. No, it was inside. No, where you've just walked up there.
Yeah.
It was up there, so I fucking come back down because I was on my own. I was like, fuck that, walking backwards. And then we've just heard something like a washing machine's going and then footprints again.
I thought you were scared of me, that's why I sat there. I didn't run into one. I thought I was scaring you that way. Next minute, that skittled me back in.
Oh my god. Oh, I've taken my car.
Oh, lordy.
How do I get that back on now? Anya, come here. Oh, that's the toilet filling up, isn't it?
I haven't flushed it, so it shouldn't.
Alright guys, well I'm going to end their video here, take some photos and stuff, so I hope you've enjoyed this little pub. Me, Naomi, Deck and Laura. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, you think the Wicked Witch has been